Osborne here in his garage with this week's introductory video. This video is meant to give some details about your Learn, Do, and Connect tasks, as well as remind you of some details that you need to know in order to do some of the tasks. So your objective for the week is to describe rotations about a point, sometimes called turns. Your Learn task, you're going to log in iReady and you're going to complete a lesson and a quiz. Take your time with this and pay close attention to how they describe things. You have to complete the quiz in order for this task to be, the Learn assignment to be considered complete. Your Do task is to complete the flipped geometry 8.3 rotations, the notes and the practice problems. There's a couple of days to do that. This you're going to submit through Schoology, and there's different forms that you have to be able to do it. Maybe you just need to write everything down by hand that you see in the notes, take pictures and submit that. There's the PDF file up there, maybe you want to print it out. I've even taken the PDF file and converted it into Google Slides if you want to go ahead and use Google Slides to put in your answers and your drawings. Our Connect task this week is our meeting Thursday at 2 o'clock. Make sure you log in with your first and last name with your video on. Make sure you're wearing something school appropriate as a school meeting. Also, make sure you get into iReady and do some of the MyPath tasks that are assigned to you, because those are specific for each person. Okay, there's what we're doing. Let me remind you of a couple things to keep in mind for the week. Rotations about a point. What they mean is just about a point. You always have to be told a couple things when you're rotating. One, you have to be told where the point is, and you have to be told how far and in what direction to go. So remember, you've got clockwise versus counterclockwise. So here my shape is rotating clockwise around the origin. If I did here it's rotating counterclockwise around the origin. Okay? Remember, there's 360 degrees in a circle, so a quarter turn is 90 degrees. Here's something to pay very close attention. iReady and Flip Geometry, the presentations, they'll present how to find the points for an image using rules first, and then they'll show you visually. But the rules depend on the direction of rotation. So don't think because you've seen the rule one time, you've seen it all times, because the rule depends on rotation. So the rules for clockwise rotation work differently than the rules for counterclockwise rotation. So make sure you pay attention to that detail. As a matter of fact, in iReady, when you're doing the lesson, the app in there allows you to manipulate shapes doing rotations and turns, reflections and translations. Use the app so you can see how it works. Thankfully, this week, all your rotations are about the origin. What do I mean? I mean, if you have a shape like this, the rotation is going to be around this point right here. So there's rotating counterclockwise, 90 degrees. But what you're also going to see this week is the points here, but then the shape will be over here somewhere. And you still have to rotate it. So say you had to rotate this triangle around the origin counterclockwise 90 degrees. Well, we can see that the triangle, how it's attached, this side of it, or in fact this point, 90 degrees would be 90 to this line right here, the stringer, and 90 degrees is out this way, right? So if when we rotate it, the point moves around a circle to the line forms over there. I hope you notice that the point is kind of moving in a circle, around the edge of a circle. Matter of fact, all the points in the triangle are moving around on a circle. I hope that helps. Make sure you get in touch with me if you can't get in iReady first thing Monday. Mr. or Mrs. Seeing everybody. I'll look forward to seeing you on Thursday. And like the guy says on Flip Geometry, remember, it's nice to be important. It's more important to be nice. Mr. O, signing out.